Hi, welcome again to yet another presentation from Electronics India. In this video we'll see the demo of this Raspberry Pi LCD screen and the Wi-Fi adapter. So this is a Ralink MT70 something MediaTek USB to Wi-Fi, and this is a touch screen LCD screen 3.2 inch for the Raspberry Pi. So here I am using a Raspberry Pi 2. So we'll just see a quick demo of how the touch screen also works. So this was the brief demo of our Raspberry Pi touch screen LCD, and as you can see, like both of these devices, the touch screen LCD and this Wi-Fi adapter, both are not plug and play. So like both require some sort of configurations and drivers. For this Wi-Fi adapter it's fairly easy because the pre-compiled libraries are already available. And for this LCD also, like there is lot of tutorials for Raspberry Pi B and Raspberry Pi B+, but for Raspberry Pi 2 you need Google yourself for like doing various configuration, calibrating touch screen and all other things. So I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.